Storm Alert Weather 12 with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look from Medford, clouds will continue to stream in as we head through the overnight hours. This latest storm system set to move in and finally bring us some much needed rain and higher elevation snow. It's not going to be a lot, but it will be at least something. 33 degrees currently in Medford. Take a look at our storm system tracker. This system is going to bring us not only rain, but also higher elevation snow and some pretty gusty south and southeast winds for parts of our region. Take a look at tonight. Temperatures will still be pretty cold tonight. It's already pretty chilly out there right now, near freezing in Medford, but we won't see as cold of conditions as what we saw the last few nights. Down to 45 degrees in Brookings, 27 degrees in Wairika, and down to 21 in Klamath Falls. And then tomorrow, winds are going to continue to pick up out of the south and southeast, especially for the coast, the Rogue and Shasta valleys. Precipitation holding off until we get into the afternoon hours. We'll get to about 48 degrees in Klamath Falls, 55 in Medford. Here's a look at peak wind gusts, and I'll be able to get on here and show you a closer view of what we're going to be seeing for the winds. The strongest gusts likely going to be the coast and the Shasta Valley, with those gusts as high as 50 miles per hour, but also some pretty strong winds for the mountains, especially along the Siskiyous. Even in the Rogue Valley, though, especially the south end of the valley, 30, 45 mile per hour wind gusts will be possible. Likely the strongest gusts going to be south of Medford. We do have wind advisories in place for the Rogue and Shasta valleys through much of the day tomorrow. So here's how things pan out when it comes to precipitation. Partly to mostly cloudy skies in the morning. Clouds will continue to thicken up as we get about late afternoon. Mid to late afternoon is likely when we'll see the rain start to arrive through most of the Medford area, and then some lingering showers into tomorrow evening. Here's a look at snow levels starting off around 5,000 feet in the afternoon, and then snow levels will lower down to as low as 4,000 feet as we head into tomorrow night. Here's a look at forecast snowfall. And now most of our higher passes, a coating up to an inch. Lake of the Woods, Bly Mountain Pass, but Crater Lake, upwards of 2 to 4 inches of snow, a quick 1 to 2 inches for Mount Ashland, and maybe some of the higher terrain of the east side as well. So not expecting really any significant travel delays at all. This isn't going to be a big storm by any means, but we will be a change, that's for sure. Rain reaching the coast by about early afternoon, and it's been a while since we've had precipitation, so oils tend to accumulate out on the roads. So just be aware of some slick roads just because of this new rain and higher elevation snow that's going to be moving into the region. Some of the activity working east of the Cascades into tomorrow evening and night. As we head through the day Wednesday, notice so we'll still have quite a bit of clouds, some lingering shower activity in southern Oregon right into Thursday morning, and then we'll dry things out from there. Precipitation amounts over the next few days, notice nothing too terribly significant. Highest precipitation amounts, though, going to be closer to the coast and the coastal mountains, where we could see some areas picking up over ½ an inch of rain. Bit of a break in the action Friday and Saturday, and keeping an eye on another system for Sunday into Monday. Your 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain arrives tomorrow in the afternoon. Gusty winds throughout the day. For Northern California, expecting most of the wet weather to be tomorrow into the evening hours. Less of a chance for rain and snow on Wednesday and Thursday. The Basin, most of the wet weather holding off until late in the day and especially into the evening tomorrow. The mountains accumulating snow mainly above 4,500 feet, but not expecting a significant snowfall out of this system. And then for the Rogue Valley, rain returns tomorrow with some gusty winds as well, and then some lingering shower chances Wednesday and Thursday.